Now, interestingly enough, a group of women came at me the other day challenging me on this very important topic, which is why. Why should it matter as to how much men a woman sleeps with? It shouldn't matter, is what they told me. Well, my response was very simple. You see, ladies, it does matter. It does matter simply because as a woman, your body count matters. Ladies, but this you might not want to hear. But ladies, there has been a study done that shows why it is so very important that a woman should never ever compete with a man as to sleeping with so many different partners as do men do. Ladies, but this study that was done shows that women absorb and retain the DNA of every single male that they have ever slept with via their sperm. You see, his sperm, which holds his DNA, has been found throughout the female body, in her organs, her brain, and of course in her reproductive system. The male genital tracks and harbors a host of complexities, such as a community of microorganisms, and these microorganisms within the male genital plays a crucial and vital role in a male reproductive health. Yet, nobody talks about the consequences of this very important subject. Ladies, I'm not here to bash you, for I am only here to assist. But here lies your problem. You see, the DNA of every man's sperm that you have slept with in the past are still trapped and stored within your body. Sadly, for it is not going anywhere anytime soon. For their sperm will also play a vital part in assisting in helping you to create your future children. So, to all of you young women out there, a little FYI. You see, your past sexual partners has left you with a permanent biological imprint, which is a sexual scar within your body. Now, let that sink in for a minute. Folks, have you ever sometime wondered why some kids will look and resemble that of a woman X more than that of the biological father? Well, there goes your answer. You see, while the biological father will provide most of the DNA genetics material needed for the conception of the child, the sexual intercourse from past men is also used in the process of how the child will look. This process can also play a part in the child's physical and mental disorder that can be passed down as well. So, the more men that you women has been with, the higher the risk of a negative mutation in her future children. So, ladies, just a quick reminder, which is that your sexual past doesn't just disappear. For it might disappear from you mentally, but internally, it is still present within your DNA of every man that you have ever slept with that has ever ejaculated within you. Now, fellas, a little FYI for you, which is to think twice before deciding to have a child or children with a woman who's been with so many different men, simply because you won't be the only man biologically shaping that child. And lastly, to you ladies, know for sure that your body is sacred, for your vagina is known as the portal of life, for it is but the only thing that can bring forth life. So ladies, therefore you don't have to run around sleeping with every goddamn man you meet. Instead, be stingy with your body. Be that queen that we know you to be. For your body is sacred. So take care of it. So until next time, each one teaches one. Be blessed.